we're dressed up because it's World Book Day. It's like a day where we almost like celebrate about reading books.
It's a day where we're just celebrating reading in all its different forms. So I'm dressed as Varjak Poor, and which is a fabulous book for sort of 6 or 7 year olds to explore with mummies and daddies. We are celebrating all forms of reading.
I love reading. It's like so fun, like a world of your own. I really like to read, and the type of books that I like to read is like mysterious, like something that's like a shock.
My name is Tọlá Okogwu and I am an author. I write children's books, and I'm here today at Sutton Valence Prep to visit the children, to talk to them about my books and hopefully encourage those who are already loving reading and those who maybe aren't quite sure about it to become avid readers, and just to spend some time with the children.
It's really cool seeing the actual author there. Like, I was really shocked when she was there. Yeah, it was really surprising. I was actually I've never really met any author before.
My most recent series is Onyeka and the Academy of the Sun, and there are 3 books in that series, as well as a special World Book Day book, because I'm lucky enough to be one of the 2024 World Book Day authors. Reading has a lot of competition now. We've got video games, we've got social media, and I think it's the fun aspect. So I think if we can match children with the right books, if we can give them autonomy to pick the books that they want and feel like that they have that choice, if we read to our children and spend some time modeling that for them by also reading ourselves, all those things really help. And it's definitely part of the World Book Day principles for how you can encourage reading within your home and get children reading again.